We look at healthcare projects, a lot of focus is around hospitals or medical office buildings and creating more natural light. That's an area that has shown more natural light tends to help with the occupants inside, making them feel better, seeing the outside. But to do that, we have to have systems that meet high thermal performance. You think about a hospital and the people that are inside, they're typically not feeling well, so occupant well-being is critical. And one of the ways that they can evaluate that is looking at our interactive healthcare building. And from that building, they can look at framing systems that are ultra-thermal for a high-rise type, university type hospital, or a medical office building, which would maybe a 1 or 2 story building where you would use a storefront. But this interactive healthcare model allows the architect to understand which framing systems meet different performance requirements based on that project-specific application.